very thorough and enjoyable walking tour of Old Town Warsaw with focus on World War II history. Ella did a great job and meeting was easy to coordinate and someone reached out hours earlier via WhatsApp. Great job. Discover the living memory of Warsaw insurgents fighting to liberate a city occupied by Nazi soldiers. Explore Warsaw Old Town, following the path of the Polish underground resistance movement. Optional, Warsaw Uprising Museum tickets and audio guide. Choose one of our excellent tour options tailored to your needs and interests. 2-hour, Warsaw Uprising Old Town Tour. Book a 2-hour private walking tour of Warsaw Old Town and see war memorials such as the Warsaw Uprising Monument and the Monument to the Ghetto Heroes. 3-hour, Warsaw Uprising Museum tickets and Old Town Tour. Book a 3-hour private walking tour of Warsaw Old Town and skip the line tickets and audio guide to the Warsaw Uprising Museum, via public transport, tickets included. The Old Town Tour is conducted in your chosen language by a local history expert.